Dininya I metata kumutino, Basana kilo pe edo le pad kuli sosi, Bakhala tata risikolo. Today is the morning. Good morning, my friends, my brother, my sister, everyone. Okay. Have a good day. This Sunday morning. No? Today I want to read about the latest Bible. Today is the happy day, but we read. I had to read the little Bible, one chapter. Okay, let me read it, please. No, okay, we started reading here. No, here is the Athalios and Joash. Not Joash. We want to read about this story. Okay. When Athaliah, the mother of Ahaziah, saw that her son was dead, not dead, she's proceeded to destroy the whole royal family. Okay. Baglegwa le se pusi wedi no to saw Ahaziah amon no Athaliah Daga tiwele apokwa tiro no reseta do mahago sopa krita kelelo reseta mago wala sopa ti akrita kelelo whatever ne permit no memba papo ni pamara din no do pay do tebeda dile no but no Jehoshaphat no pay ni tebra la Vasadana kiro no pay ni Jehoshaphat the king not the daughter of King Jehoram and sister of Ahaziah chose Joash son of Ahaziah and stolen him away from among the royal princes, prince, who were about to the murder. She put him and his nurse in a bedroom to hide him from Athaliah, so he was not killed. Panera Poketivala Damata Filpa, Lord David D. No. Penny saw by Yehora Apo saw Acacia adopu no Yehosa Sabataga, he saw Acacia Apokwa saw you are. No, Penny saw you adga, mano. The Huni Olo sopa Apokwala Abata Mathio Akla, do Pakutu o, do Aweda do Apwadu Onu, no Odega, Le Depu. No, Panero Pidama, no, the dirt or no Athalia, Ame, do Tabata Mathioba, the dirt or no Athalia, Ame, no, what Tabata Mathioba, Coplo, a wepakutu, a hunero, no. Penny, Pedro le Paquadi, le Casunya, the Tony, Teba Palo, Mulutimile, no. Pedro. Porque sukumo petino pata le da temimi sikolo no. Porque le no gifeni teba kwale muniti mile. Hi, hello Virian no. He remains hiding with his nurse at the temple of the Lord for 6 years. Why? No, Athaliah's ruling the land. Penny Athaliah ne a wepera no. No, Talota clever a permuni, no, a wepakutura, hunia, no, Panepagerma hunima, no. Do aweda okutudo or lejua hipu hunilo, do no Athalia ne, ke tonopa mule, go a poculo, no Thalia, no. Couple of pussy when a mathivera, no, because sopa a polited pa, no. Let the Hura of Pacropa Supathala tatit pi sicolo, no. Penny Debra in the 7 years, no, Jehoiada sent for the commander of units unite of and hundreds the carotid and the guard and have them brought to him and at the temple of the Lord he made a covenant with them and put them under the temple of the Lord. There he showed them the king's sons. Now, I want to begin my let our part of us so by law. Hi, no. Pay up a qua learn no gi, pay no, pekele qua learn no gi. Aware, no, no gi luni, David de no. David don't nuni the nini saw you hold your dam merlota, do heso point, degaya a quarter part. Do poise no poise tapo do papa tapo tapa do do leno osu a ola yua a hipu do olo tado o do do su no ola yua a hipu no do su ola yua a hipu no olo da do su ra le yua hipu ne lo no hey do pekele kwa le no yene no tebra pay the common the commanders then saying, this is what you ought to do. You who are in the 3 companies that are going on duties on the Sabbath, a third of young guarding the royal palace. Now, Panitevera Sekola. Aware Sivera Lomanitimiले, do not or less of a poqualo, do malu or do siweda. I imi tala tubama to me, two the pa, no third put a pull a lenilla, obey any, no obey any the pa, no bucket up a bird up puller, sopa hip a wall, no bucket up a bird up a sopa hip on it long. No. Pero pekele kwa le no gi no pekele ma khune tera a third at their gate and the third at the gate behind the guard who take turn guarding the temple no pane no siwera le no gi khune tera di lo do pa thapu to pu ba o wele no petro su akhoti do pa thabu to pu ba o le petro akhe le pa peta pu akhi do tu ba pa hi no apeta alo do ditu atu taba tamma no tamma pro ordre no phane ban awete pera no lera kira pera no do phane no gi nui ni taba pa le you who are in the other 2 companies thus normally go off Sabbath duties are all the guards in the temple for the king. No penny David ala. While me put no sorry mono. No in winnie teba body lo do two way polar a hatola mo obeni killer clanny ki pu kaba perjua hi le sopa akelo no ki pu ne ba per you are hi ma le sopa akhe no pay do quality station yourself around the king each man with his weapon in the hand. Anyone who approaches you rank must be put to death. Stay close to the king whatever he go. No putting my dollar, no sopa pekeleni, tigaba, grandma, quate ilo qua mono, perka kuya, no. No peteva do tuba goha sopa watery or tegado a sugawe su. No, tegado a sugawe, pagina let supu, tegado a sugawe let supu. Do pala alenelta a read part apune, Matthew or gay dot to sopa hato dot to a henno. O two do sopa ki, no sopa head talk. No, o two sopa ki, no. No penny no queen the commanders all unite of as hundreds did just as Jehoiada the priest or dear or dear. Each one to his man, those who were going on duty, when they put them on duty, on the Sabbath, and those who were going off duty, and came to Jehoiada, the priest, Pane Pagitana Mala, Pagitama Pero, Dopwa Tagaya, a cook, the Pani, Mawe di, Kayeta le, Paluta, Adu, saw your Huyata, Payuda Adu saw your Huyata, Pane Dera le. Da malua thoni lo hini susu apwala akalene la mu obwe ani odo pwala akahatole mu obwe ani do hewesu paluta ado so yehoyata olo aweni mitala takatika to wera bakala sopa atale ata haki atale ataki thoni lo Ida na kuda ro pakro patu pata ti pha le pata mo pisiko awe ni mita la babati nya siko ta pita ma ti mi siko la pale peki pe pama awani lo no pay ro pekele kwa lo no gi sini te ba pwadi le Then he gave the commander the spears and shields that has belonging to King David, and that we are in the temple of the Lord. When mitala pa uwala sofa anupunilo, Pete to my pain, do paluta do the gane, he lopa, take a ya akuta palace, sopa da we abo, pane abo, the pa do, akato the pa, tala a uwala jua hipulo, Awani awake to when paluta do take to when, Pero Baglelo no you sit not the guard each with his weapon in his hand. Pane stations dance around the king, near the altar and the temple, from the south side to the north side of the temple. Pagina mutara muno, Pagina Makli Sura Kali T, when a betinya siko panel, Do papata puseta wetega oro a suka wele a supu tega oro a suka wele supu do watery sopale hi tana la sutwe pele hi tana la susila ta lulo do hi a khanilo ta lulo hi a khano watery lo Jehoiada brought out the king's son and put the crown on him. He presented him with the copy of the covenant and proclaiming his king. They anointed him, and the people clapped their hands and shouted, "Long live the king! Long live the king!" But Tiwa Siko Lota Mata Tiwa Penny, no Hesu Sopa Pokwa do do or le kutulu duku or le kutulu pata olo do pu or do desu do siweda mo sopa muerki desu do siweda mo sopa muerki one pane Athaliah heard the noise made by the guards and the people. She went to the people at the temple of the Lord. Pane Ali Athisia ne pagjenma Athilia ne awame pala amathi sopa apothe bakele se couple apothe kone paragane ne pagjenma la paine awena huweta mata paine no Athalia ne na hu papata pu do pagomu athodo hewe super gomu a ole jwa hipulo we hewe hekwa we tauta She looked and there was the king, not standing by the pillar, as the custom was. The official and the trumpeter, Peter was beside the king, and all the people of the land were rejoicing and blowing trumpet. The no, Athelia stole her robe and called out, no, treasure, treasure, no, treason, treason, no, panic, go but through over treason, no. But do not acquire whether qua sopa settle well a lot tot data lu da alu a lot to need do pado the pa do pa uque pa uwele sopa a canelo doku ko a pago mukelani tuku takudo uque do no Italia posse doku with you talk tapu tonelo tapu tonelo ကဲမမေဒီနေတော့ပကတဲ့တင်မာလတာမာတာတဲ့ဖာဒီလေတစီရနေတေဝရဒီလေဖေးတဲ့ပကလေကွာတဆက်ဖို့နော် Jehoiada the priest ordered the commander of unite နော်ပကတဲ့မှာ unite of 100 who were in the charge of the dwarf bring their up between the rock and put to the sword anyone who follow her for the priest and said, she must not be put to death in the temple of the Lord. No, pane pagitera mala, no, tako basuro vara sivera diro, no. No, paluta ado so Jehoiada malo pa takaya akurapa patamu akurapa no siba o do a talk with all he puleta agita pasuku do pa le apotre kine mathi ole narki no mathi ole na agiri paluta ado city wera mo tu mathi ole jwahi purge no phane tu mathi ole jwahi purge no phane no pakle kwa so they seized her and she reached the place where the horse entered the palace ground and now there she was put to death. Now, Panero Pathinia Sicola, no Pahika or Sud or Lewele Clay at an Panama Cathedra Park, Hevasus or Pahi, do Bata Mathi or Penelo, no Panitaba Mathi or Penny, no? No paid or Pacateta Masicola, Penny Tevera delay, no? Not the sin winnie Tevera delay. No Jehoiada, Jehoiada them made a covenant between the Lord and the king and people that they would be the Lord's people. He also made the covenant between the king and the people. Now Panewada mata all soparo pakanyono apago mutir pano mata all nilo. Penny pakla do so you Yada do all tala yuado sopa abasa do pagamu abasa ditu I can get her you are pagamu do all no tala sopa do pagamu abasa all that sopa pagamu abasa no awani pakitete madine no do pedo all the people of the lands went to the temple of the bar and store is down they smashes the altar idol to pieces and kill it Meta and the priests are burned in the front of the altar. Then Jehoiada the priest posted guard at the temple of the Lord. Panepagdemana Jehoiada aware Magavara Taklutil Pasicolo, no? Penepagale Sicolo do Pane do apa gom kele hesu bala hi bu do malopo o do makalo kele atalu lo do atago do mati bala apaluta adu no pane kora le so mata le talu lo tapa amenya lo do paluta adu ni palo bedu pa do pa le ywa hi apako lo paluta adu ne palo ywa no pane le Yai Poko, no penny Deva Panama. Not a sea queenie, Deva Poiler Manitimile, Penny Pagleguano. He told with him the commanders of 100, the carried the guard and all the people of the land, that together they brought the king down from the people of the Lord and went into the palace, no, entering the way of the gates, no, of the guard, no, punning, of the guards. The king, no, then to him place on the royal throne, punning up, Pokemon sofa, no, Salama. He niki wera ata potali, no, a lot of cleaning, no. No, he ne Patagia could part of was set up, hold up, put up, hold up. Go up, pa mu kele do, weda thi, no, hesu sopa le, jua he. Do hekle sopa ahi pu per tapo a petro pu do aweda sino le sopa pa a lobasu a pacolo aweda sino le sopa pa a lobasu paco no le dan hura ro pa cretinya sicolo tate the pai sicolo no pain a kisi no and all the people of the land rejoiced and the city no was quite because Athalias no Athalias has been slain with the sword at the palace no Pagdema Penino no Athalia ne aware Athalia ne aware Tiwe mono Penitama Theolo Nanilo do ko pa go mke le tukuta khu do we ubokla do pamatino ana Athalia lena le sopa hi khenelo no penipetiba siko penino Panini Korala no Joa was 7 years old when he began to reign. No, our ora nuni no Johani no. Johani our own nuni no. Our powera pagda our powera no our nuli no our penuli letter na kota no ne. Pagda ma away name it no pakropatu pata no. We should think about is this meaning in no very carefully no. Athalias is son dying and he killed all princess in the palace. But luckily Jehoshaphat, daughter of the Jehoram, is the hidden one prince. This means that that the king combat, no, when the king combat generation, no. We should think about happening in the no something important to us and something important to other people. Okay, don't kill him, not don't kill him. Okay, this is mean murder, and then look like they want someone property. Okay, they want to be king. Okay, this is a wrong thing to do. All right, you should think about yourself. Doesn't matter you live or you die or you stay in the war. Okay, doing the right thing. Okay, don't make it such a thing. This is the goals for the whole world. No, let that go up patu patana patamu puno, but couple of puti hutaro, but back was shaman of Baba Marale a lot of woman, no, takota ketanata ponico wisigono. Moya suiki, no, you are glutara sweep God bless his word, and then God bless you all. Thank you so much, my friend and my brother and sister.